in on this thing, I would. I don't think I can. They're really going for it down there. There's two coming back up the field here now. We'll see you in a minute. See them? They go, look, there's two coming back here. They've just departed from the group. There's 4 birds circling around the loft now. 4 birds circling round the loft. There's 2 of the tipplers round at the front. Clacking to my loft. Can't really see much of street. I could able to zoom, I guess. But there's 4 birds flying around the loft. Blue and dark checker. The blue one. Yeah, Gran. He went down there. I could see him going, and 4 have come back. Going really well. Smiling for the camera. Going well here. Doing well here. They've gone like bullets here, down towards Broughton. Yeah, they're going well here. Really shifting. I've only got 5 minutes left on this, so. Okay. There's 4 birds circling around the loft. I'll see you later, Gran. 4 birds circling around the loft. Look like they're going to jump into the loft very shortly indeed. Racing on Saturday, these birds, and it's now Monday, and they are really going well. The 2nd, the 3rd and 4th on Saturday, they did well. It's only their 3rd race on Saturday, that was. Hello, girl. She's still fine as good as the others, are you, love? No. Oh, here they come now, they come off the top. Off the top here. Really are going for this field. Really well. There's 4 going there. And you got the full backs there. 4 on the road. The back is now going into the 4. And you're going really, really well. So pleased with them. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Just getting into the Skrydown. 3 at the 4 race, 1 race. Q2 bird sickness. No. There they are, look. Sky high, you can just see them. Really, really high. I can't. Really going well here. There could be a fish boiling them in the batch. A breath of fresh air is always dribbling around here, really good. Nearly heaven first for me on Saturday. Like bullets they come. There we go, departing into the loft now. There you go. The first bird trying to get into the cage. I think there's 14 birds flying around the loft, I think. I'm right, I think there's 13 birds 14, I think there could be. I'll try and work it out. There they come. Down and off now. Whoa! Really go where they are. They are shifting. I've only got 2 minutes left on the video, so see if we can get a couple dropping down into the loft. If we can't, then I'll try and do that another time. On the camera it looks extremely dark round here, but it could just be my settings, I think, on the camera. Well, here's the settings on the camera, because funny enough it's blue skies round here. It's nice. It's nice, it's really nice it is. Nice fresh breeze. Lovely. I don't think we're going to get any birds dropping into the loft, you know. We've got 1 minute left to try and get a couple of birds to drop into the loft. Focus on the loft now for a bit. See how much loft I can get of it. That's the best I can do. No, just see the corner of the camera was a pigeon there. Here we go, Michael Jackson now. Come on! Got a massive seconds left on my video camera. There. Come on then. Well done, guys. Got a couple of seconds. Oh, one land. Come on then. Come on.